In this video, we will learn how to automate network device discovery using CDP, LLDP, and Python scripting, making network documentation a breeze.
Manually documenting your network is time-consuming and prone to errors, leading to outdated diagrams and inaccurate information. Cisco Discovery Protocol and Link Layer Discovery Protocol are Layer 2 protocols that can automatically discover directly connected devices on your network.
By leveraging CDP and LLDP, you can create dynamic and accurate network maps, improving troubleshooting, security, and overall network management.
First, use Python and network automation libraries to establish a secure connection to your network devices.
Next, execute the Show CDP Neighbors or Show LLDP Neighbors command on each device using the established connection. Now parse the raw text output from the show command to extract key information like device hostname, interface, and neighbor details.
The device ID field in CDP output reveals the hostname of the neighboring device, which is crucial for identifying devices on your network. The local interface field identifies the specific port on your device that is connected to the neighbor, enabling precise mapping. The neighbor interface field reveals the port on the neighboring device that is connected back to your device, completing the connection picture. Organize the extracted data into a structured format, such as a list of dictionaries or a pandas data frame, for easy manipulation and reporting. Finally, generate a CSV report from the structured data, providing a clear and up-to-date network inventory for documentation and analysis. This automated process transforms raw CDP/LLDP output into a structured and easily accessible CSV report, saving you time and improving data accuracy. With this script, you can generate up-to-date network documentation on demand, ensuring your maps reflect the current state of your network. You've now learned how to automate network device discovery using CDP/LLDP and Python. Subscribe for more content like this and start your prep today.